It's day 2 of Disney. Today's Friday and we are off to the character breakfast at Plaza Gardens. Oh, we've come out the shop now. We're actually in a bit of a rush because we've got like 5 minutes. Ellie?
Does Ellie's ears move?
Yeah.
Harry's ears move? They do, look, ready?
I love it. That's so cool.
You get to like press these.
4.
Yeah, and then it moves.
That's
So,
it,
yeah.
moving Harry, that's it.
That's it. Harry got a Simba hat yesterday and then we said to Ellie, when we see the Stitch one, she can get one.
Because I love Stitch.
She does.
Cute.
We're hoping to meet him as well. But yeah, we're off to the character breakfast at Plaza
Dad,
Gardens.
you could just put them together and squish
9:45.
them and they both move.
I had a really good sleep last night, even though I look more tired today. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just curious to see what characters we have this time, because last time we had Mickey and Minnie, Goofy, all of them. But yeah, I just love this bit when you enter the park.
Oh, they're probably going character breakfast. Come.
Let's go that way.
This is a little trick if you want to avoid Main Street, particularly when the parades are happening. Walk through this arcade bit and it's so much quieter.
It's the worst trick I've ever seen.
Oh, thanks, Ellie. Thanks for your feedback.
Yeah.
And it's really pretty. It's all got all like the shops. Look how pretty that is.
By the way, it's day 2.
Yep, day 2. Sorry if the vlog is really shaky, guys, but we're literally running
because we saw Minnie
to get to our character breakfast.
We saw Minnie and Mickey to say thank you and 6 times.
Yeah? Hello. Ellie's the only happy one. What you got?
Hot chocolate in the morning.
Chocolate.
Cut that out.
Coffee. Cut that out. Ellie, what have you got?
Heaven. We've got heaven right here. Like, look at this.
Let me get a picture of you. say, we've just finished the character breakfast. It was so good. We had Pinocchio, Geppetto, Eeyore, Tigger, and Harry's favourite, Pluto. So I'm really happy they were there. We're just heading to the Studios Park now. It's a lot colder today.
Can I tell something?
Hold on. It's a lot colder today. But yeah, really excited to go on some rides here.
It's a hotel.
How do you feel about going on Hollywood's, what's it called? Hollywood Tower.
What
Not
is
feeling it. It's going in an elevator and it goes all the way up to the top and then it drops.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm not keen on that one.
Can I show something? So, wait, what we're going on?
We're just finding the first ride.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So we're looking for a ride to go on. Big Fun Massive, we went on it 2 times yesterday.
Yeah, no, yeah.
So
yes,
good,
you are.
but it's also a bit fast. I would just kept going because it's so scary, but I just didn't scream at all. On the first one, never screamed, but on the second one, I screamed a little bit, just a little bit. So yeah, Stitch Lives over there.
Yeah, that's where the train.
And I think we're going to
So I take it.
Ratatouille, I think. It's a ride. I think we're going on that.
Okay, so we're just heading in to the Avengers campus. So this is new to Disneyland. First time we're seeing it.
Yay.
Oh, it's very busy.
But
Very busy.
we have a ticket.
That looks cool.
We could just go on it straight away.
That's cool. That's a restaurant, PYM.
Okay, right, we're going on this ride now, right? Is it a roller coaster?
No.
Okay, so it's not a roller coaster. So if you haven't seen us like yet, it's where you like shoot the target. So Spider-Man.
We're going to Spider-Man ride, Harry.
Yeah. So we're gonna go on it. Harry, you ready?
Let's park the buggy over there. Jump out.
Okay, right. So we're parking the buggy and we're gonna go. I'm holding the.
You know the drill. Watch your step as you enter into the vehicle. Take a seat and put on the web vision targeting glasses. They'll help you find all those rampant spider bots.
Okay, sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Quoi? Je croyais que le niveau de risque en était encore un danger exponentiel. Ouais, le désastre c'est le mot juste.
Je savais que tu serais d'accord. Start slinging. Use either hand to stop the box. Lancez des objets sur le bord. Tellement facile par You can pull stuff too.
Ok, ça devrait le retenir.
Parfait.
In the back of it, isn't it?
This is the training centre where you get to meet the Marvel characters, but you do have to book that. We are hopefully going to try and do that.
Yeah, so it doesn't go upside down. And we're going.
Attention au départ, get ready.
Okay, we're going. Put your hands up, guys. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Ah! I didn't know it was this fast. It's not even fast. Harry, does it go fast? I'm gonna drop this. Where's Slinky's head? Slinky's head is over that way. I'm gonna drop this! I'm gonna...
Yeah. Do you smell of oranges? Mac and cheese, Ellie. Do you want to have a look at it? Mac and cheese? Thank you.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello, good, thanks.
That is.
Welcome.
Perfect,
This is
thank
Howard
you.
for both of us.
Just for the information, yeah, no, it's all right.
Why are you over there when I'm up here? Have you ever seen Spider-Man swing by, have you?
Hello.
Well, stay on the lookout or the look up. You like sight places. Okay, just between us, but get it right. Who's your favorite Avenger? I knew it. I just wanted everyone. I think it's picture time.
We're gonna have a good thing.
Yes, perfect.
Spark, si tu n'étais pas aussi timide, quel serait ton rêve? If I were shy.
C'est exactement ce qu'il vous faut quand on ne sait même pas quel est son rêve.
So we've just come out of Hollywood Studios. Really good time in there. We're just heading to the new New York Marvel Hotel, I think it's called. It looks so good. Like, I would love to stay here in the future. We're gonna check the, I think it's called Skyline Bar, because I've heard the cocktails are really good there. I'd like to try a cocktail. Harry's asleep as well. He's absolutely zonked out. He's so tired. So yeah, I don't know if we can, I don't know if you have to book, so we'll see if we end up going. I'll quickly show you the outside of it. Okay, so this is the front.
With me.
It's huge. And it's got like big statues of Black Panther and stuff right at the front. So I'm going to show you inside of the hotel. But the grounds are well nice.
Also a restaurant.
And that is Newport Bay over there. We've actually stayed in there before. So we've stayed in a few of the hotels, but this one, I would love to stay here, especially Harry. Wow. Oh wow. This is cool, isn't it? Wow. Look how cool this is. Oh, it smells nice. Look at that, Ellie.
Cool, isn't it? Skyline Bar.
Yeah. Okay, Okay, this is my cocktail. It's called the birthday cocktail. I know it's not my birthday. Well, no, it's called the birthday cocktail because it's the 30th. Yeah. So cool.
Okay, right, she's trying her birthday cocktail. It looks like mud. She didn't like it.
It was nice.
Oh.
So we've just had some dinner at it's like a sports bar place in Disney Village. Sorry, Paul shouting out something. We're heading back into the main Disney park because we're going to watch the fireworks tonight.
At 10.
At 10. I think there's one just before that with like drones. And we're going to do the drone show for Marvel tomorrow. So yeah, it looks so pretty at night. And one thing I've noticed about Disney, it's spotless everywhere. Like,
Obviously.
absolutely spotless. But yeah, let me show you the Disney hotel.
There's a clock up there.
Like, look how spotless these floors are. And they're shiny.
But
Like,
we can't see it on the camera.
absolutely spotless. There's
Because
Paul
it includes me.
getting our passes.
I'll put on my one.
Hello, Harry. Did you have a good sleep?
This is my
Oh,
pass.
he's all snuggled. Got your pass. Oh, you're doing it wrong already. Yeah, go on.
Did it? No father. There she goes. She did it.
And look how pretty it is. Absolutely shattered. Oh god, here we go. Do it again.